The rain remembers every name I've worn. The night still knows the fire I became. No chain can bind the soul that's twice been born. Love called me once, I'll answer just the same. Yeah. I am the winner of the earthly game. The heaven road is whispered me the same. I am the seed beneath the faithful ground, where tender rains keep calling life around. Each drop becomes a silver singing string, and other worlds awaken while they ring. The earth breathes slowly through my open skin. Another dawn is growing deep within. Beyond the rivers drowning under stars, where mist embraces every hidden scar. The gardens weave their fragrant crowns of green, like dreams remembering what love has been. I breathe your scent upon the midnight air. My only one, I know that you are there. By shining bridges heaven softly keeps, where silent light awakens while it sleeps. Let blazing comets tear the velvet skies. Let fading constellations close their eyes. Again I walk the milky river's flow, where endless winds remember where to go. Don't mourn because my earthly robe is gone. The soul wears brighter garments before dawn. With every beat that echoes through my chest, I long to guide my lost beloved home to rest. I am the winner of the earth and sky. No fear can teach a living soul to die. I know the love that gave the stars their flame. The source still whispers softly through my name. New worlds are opening inside my hands, like endless tides upon forgotten sands. In one of them you're waiting just for me, my midnight heart, my endless destiny. Freedom was never choosing to escape. Freedom was learning love can alter fate. Every goodbye becomes another door. The heart remembers what it's beating for. If darkness is the price the stars must pay, then I will sing until they find their day. you'll still be coming home to me.